viewers, welcome to MR Connect. Thank you for liking and commenting on my videos, and please do subscribe as well. Like whoever has not done it, so please subscribe it. Thank you. Yeah, today we are going to see how to check or test whether Google Analytics or Google Tag Manager is installed in our website. Last 2 days we have seen that how to create Google Tag Manager, how to create Google Analytics property, and then how to install the Google Analytics property using Google Tag Manager, right? So today we are going to see whether the installed Google Analytics property using the Google Tag Manager is working correctly or not. So let me open my website. Okay, so this is my website and I have installed Google Analytics and Google Tag Manager in this website. So how can I able to test this? I wanted to install a Chrome extension that is called Google Tag Assistant. Okay, so this is a Chrome extension which I need to enable. I have already enabled it. If you have not done so, you can just create a new tab and then just check Google Tag Assistant Chrome extension, right? So if you search for this, then definitely you will get the result, top result. So you just need to enable the Google Tag extension. Okay, I have already enabled it, so it is showing me remove from Chrome. If you have not enabled it, then definitely you will see just enable. Okay, you just need to enable that. It will get downloaded and automatically installed, and you can able to see it here. Okay, so yeah, so I have already done that. If you come and check here, yeah, there are two things. One is Google Tag Manager. Yes, this is the tag manager I have created, and Google Analytics property, which is what I have created. So okay, now Google Analytics property and Google Tag Manager is installed correctly. Okay, so see these two. What is this actually? Green is perfectly installed. Blue is not perfect, but it is okay. So we will not have any issue with that. If you just extend it, then you can able to see there is a one page view request that is going from, I'm sorry, going to this GA property. Okay, so this is the way we need to check whether Google Analytics is correctly installed. Okay, fine, that is installed, but how can I check it in Google Analytics itself? So we are going to check it in Google Analytics. Just log into analytics.google.com and our Google Analytics property will get loaded. Okay, by default, what happened? My property is actually selected, but yeah, this is the property which I have created and it is already selected, right? So I need to check it here, real time overview. Yeah, see, wow, right now there is one active user on the site, that is me, probably. Okay, how can I check that whether this active user is me? Okay, there will be locations. Okay, if you go and check here, yeah, I'm browsing my site from Chennai, so this is me, right? Okay, that's all. This is the second way to check how whether Google Analytics is properly installed or not. Because now we have already verified that it is correctly installed and we can able to see it in Google Analytics. The tracking is properly working. Okay, what is the other way to test that? We can also do it in different ways. Okay, the third way is we can enable this Google developer tool, okay, and we can go to the network tab. So what I'm trying to do is I just need to copy this UA property ID 28-26, just copy that and go. Okay, I have opened it in a separate window. I'll just go there. Okay, so how I have opened this by pressing F12 key. Otherwise, you can just right click on your website and click view page source. I'm sorry, inspect element. Okay, view page source will open a different window, which will be the page source. We need to choose the inspect element. If we choose the inspect element, then automatically this will get open, and we can go to the network tab here, and we should paste this and just reload the website. That's all. So if we reload the website and we search with the property ID whichever we have created, we will see a hit. Okay, this is collect, and if we go and check here, okay, there is a collect, and for the same property and for my domain mohammadriaz.co.in, there is a tracking which is going on. Okay, so this is the third way to test it. Otherwise, what is any other different way? Do we have it? Yes, we do have. We can enable another extension called GTM-GA debug. Okay, so similarly, we have multiple extensions to check that, but I'm using this extension. I'm also using different extensions, but now I'm going to show you how to check it in GTM/GA debug. Okay, again, after choosing that, we need to reload the website. If we reload it, what will happen? Yes, GA and go to this GA. Yeah, there is a page view hit that is going for the same property which we have created. Okay, so these are the four ways to test whether Google Analytics is correctly installed and it is working. So the first way is to enable Google Chrome extension, Google Tag Assistant, and we need to check whether these two tags are loading. Yes, fine, perfect. And the second way is to go to the real-time overview of Google Analytics, and we need to check whether the hit what we are making is actually tracking in the real-time overview or not. Yes, it is also working. Then the third way is to go to the network tab and just search it after reloading the website. Yes, we should get the collect, and it should be the 200 status code. Sometimes if it is 400 or 404, then that means it is not working correctly. So the status should be 200, and here it should be green or blue. Okay, the fourth way is to test using GTM/GA debug, and we can check it using the other GA property. I'm sorry, other extension called GTM/GA debug. Okay, thank you guys. These are the four ways to test, happy install, and happily track your website. Thank you.